Good morning, SafeMoon fam. This is Diamond Hands Dallas here coming at you with another SafeMoon video. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section below about what you thought about today's video. Guys, I am trying to get over that 3,000 subscriber mark, so any support you can show me, I 100% appreciate it. Let's get it done. Today I have an excellent video planned out for you guys. We're going to be talking about the fact that Amazon is going to be gearing up to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment along with other crypto coins. And on top of that, Amazon is looking to come out with their own crypto token as well. So that is really interesting. Also, we're going to be talking about the recent price action with Bitcoin, especially taking good positive vibes from this Amazon news is being put out, as well as the fact that we see SafeMoon's price pumping. We're going to be talking about that too. And we'll be talking about the fact that the iOS version of wallet, well, the SafeMoon wallet, will be released after the Android and why that is. So, anyways, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and roll that intro and get right into this bullish SafeMoon content. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's jump right on in. Okay, we can see right now at the time of making this video this morning that the crypto space in general is up 9.6%. That's good to see, which means we are pretty much green across the board for most of the crypto assets. We can see that the Bitcoin dominance is trading at not trading, but it's at 45.5%. This is the price action dominance that Bitcoin has in the crypto space. We can see Bitcoin is definitely up this morning. We're setting at $38,554. Ethereum setting at $2,354. Binance Coin setting at $3.20. Cardano's at $1.35. XRP is at 66 cents. Dogecoin is at 22 cents. We got Polkadot at $14.85 and so forth. The idea here is pretty much that the crypto space is up, okay? A lot of the coins are green across the board. If we go and look at SafeMoon, we can see SafeMoon is currently sitting at rank number, I think we're at 62. Set at rank number 62, we're at 0.50286 in our price action, down 0.1% in the 1 hour, up 5.9% in the 24 hour, and we're down 3.6% on the 7 day. Our 24-hour volume is trading at a little over 15.3 million, and our market cap is a little over 1.65 billion. If we go look at SafeMoon's price chart, we can see that we have definitely followed normal market patterns with this price action. So we definitely have been pumping in price. We've had quite a bit of an increase. I think if I actually go here and draw this out, let's go get the price action estimator. I think it's going to be my price range. Yeah, price range. Here we go. Let's go from yesterday's low, say it's 25th, up to let's just go right now. It's about 6.19% if we go right now, but to the high point, we were up 11.96%. Okay, now, this is normal. And the reason why I say this is normal is because anytime you have a gap up or gap down in stock trading, crypto trading, no matter what, that gap always has to be filled. It looks like that we had that gap up, and now the gap is filled. So now we're due to start pushing back up again following the rest of the market space. We can see on the RSI that it's definitely pushing in that neutral zone, which is great. You always want to be in this neutral to high range zone when you're being pumped up in price. You don't want to be down here. It's not good. It means you're selling down, but this means we're getting ready for the next price move up. The MACD is showing that we are bullish. We're definitely separated from that signal line. Above all, for the most part, we are definitely bullish this morning, okay? Bitcoin is definitely pushing up in price. You can see that here. And SafeMoon is going to follow that, okay? So if we go back to SafeMoon, the only reason why we have this pullback right now is because of the gap up, gap down theory, okay? The gaps are always filled up. Bitcoin is still pushing up. Therefore, we will continue to follow that pattern. Now that this gap has been filled, we're good to go. Okay, so we've actually came down here. Looks like we tried to retest this resistance line a few times, and we bounced off of it. So we have actually confirmed this 0.786 resistance that we've been trying to get up to. As I've said in multiple videos, if we broke that, that would confirm that we're getting into a price breakout, a complete bullish reversal in the crypto space. But since we have came down, it looks like we've tried to test it twice and bounced off. This is now confirmed as a new solid support, which means our next resistance area isn't until around the 43.4 range, somewhere around there. And the RSI looks like it's definitely an overbought territory. However, if we go back and look at the past, with Bitcoin, almost every time we get an overbought territory, push back down. However, with the market trying to recover, this might become the new norm. Right now, we're in overbought territory because we've been down for the past, about a month or so, and that's why this is overbought. We haven't been up here in a long time. We have a lot of bullish volume coming in here, a lot of buy volume coming here with that news of Amazon coming out, which I'm about to go over that here in a second. The MACD is showing that we are definitely pushing up, definitely getting a lot of bull volume here. And this is great to see. This is a great way to start off our Monday morning, knowing that we are actually pulling out of this bearish downtrend. I want to watch and see if we come up and retest this line or this resistance area by the end of the week. If that can happen and we break through that, guys, we're done. We're getting ready to go on a bull run. Again, we have got to be, I'm going to be monitoring this throughout the week. But yeah, this is really, really great news this morning. The whole crypto space is bullish, and it looks like we're getting some bullish reversal vibes here. If we go check out this article, this is posted on City A&M. Okay, let me go make sure I'm at the top here. Okay, we can see they have said, speaking of City A&M, an insider claimed the firm was looking to accept Bitcoin payments before later on launching its own cryptocurrency. While an Amazon spokesperson suggested the company is looking at cryptocurrency payments, an insider revealed the plan may be much deeper. This isn't just going through the motions to set up cryptocurrency payment solutions at some point in the future. This is a full-on, well-discussed, integral part of the future mechanism of how Amazon will work. The insider added that the plan begins with Bitcoin and comes from the very top, Jeff Bezos himself. Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin Cash will also be added as payment methods, the insider added. They claimed Amazon has been working on integrating cryptocurrency since 2019, and the entire project is pretty much ready to roll. This is quoted, okay? After all of these crypto assets are launched, Amazon is set to launch its own native token, the insider explained. Amazon is looking to accept cryptocurrency payments, but Elon Musk's space exploration company SpaceX has already added Bitcoin to its balance sheets. According to Musk himself, speaking at the B-Word conference, CEO revealed he also invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge personally. Okay, well, besides that, the biggest thing of this is the fact that Amazon's looking to adopt Bitcoin, looking to adopt crypto, coming out with their own cryptocurrency. This is huge news because it's going to start putting that use case in the crypto space. The more adoption we have, the more the crypto space is going to take off, and therefore it will reflect on Safemoon. You know what I'm saying? Once Safemoon starts releasing their products, we will see huge price action that will kind of separate us from Bitcoin because we're going to have a lot more going on with Safemoon than Bitcoin does at the time. But this is great news. It's really bullish. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments section below. And also, I do want to add, Bitcoin is adopting more environmentally friendly ways to be mined, which is going to help the use case adoption as well. Keep that in mind. So, this is the Safemoon whale watching report. We can see in the past 24 hours, the whales haven't had much sell action going on here. Only sold about 14.7 billion Safemoon. In the past 24 hours, they've only burned 18.3 billion Safemoon. And the top 100 whales have an accumulated amount of Safemoon totaling 121.1 trillion. Let's jump on over to Reddit. By the way, Reddit has been full of freaking fun here lately. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but they I think there was a Twitter space yesterday that they were talking about that they're in the process of getting everything moderated to get rid of that. So keep that in mind. Anyways, shout out to Rock Lobstar 1 and said, we're going to find out what all that owl jazz is about soon. Anyone else catch this? Any theories? I was in a Twitter space yesterday where somebody had said owl means 1 week late. I was like, damn. But anyways, we can see John Caroni, or he's posted a screenshot from Twitter where John Caroni, our CEO, has tweeted out saying, and here is part 2. What comes after an open beta? Hoots. Owl hoots. On to the next. Okay. Shout out to Mountish. Safemoon. Anyways, only Android, no iOS. I'm going to break down why no iOS, or why iOS is coming out later. There will be iOS launch. It's just going to be a little later than the Android launch. Probably not far behind, but I'm going to read this. So we can see Safemoon has tweeted out saying, big news, it's official. The Safemoon Android Open Beta launches August 7th this year. Okay, 10,000 will be given access. Who wants in? Safemoon wallet. Now, the only thing I don't like about this, the fact that they're announcing it's an open beta, but it only open to 10,000 people. An open beta is supposed to be for everyone. So, I don't know. But I mean, I hope I get this, because if I can get this and they allow me to be able to go over it in my YouTube videos and actually, go through the wallet, go through the features, go through the interface and all that stuff, and then kind of break it down to you guys, that would be amazing. I hope I can get this thing. So, yeah. Okay, on to the next. We can see this is why I read the date the way I did. We can see Franny's posted. Y'all remember 12/09/21, where our CEOs actually came out in the Discord and said day, month, year. So it would be 09/12/21 if you're in the US. So that would be September 12th, 2021. So I remember because we talked about that date in one of the pictures a while back. So yeah, I'm glad he confirmed this. I think that's like a normal thing in Europe. In the US, it's always been month, day, year. So I don't know. Anyways, on to the next. Shout out to Safemoon for posting this, tweeting out saying Apple open beta dates coming soon. And we also have Safemoon coming out here and saying, what open beta will you be signing up to use on the Safemoon wallet? We can see 54.2% of 23,712 people have said iOS. I am one of those. And we got 45.8% of the 23,712 people said Android. All right. On to the next, we can see Safemoon has also tweeted out saying it's back. August 8th, Safemoon Sunday AMA. Who's ready? This is crazy because it'll be one day right after the launch of the Android Open Beta. So this one could be very interesting. So if you don't know, I live stream every Safemoon Sunday AMA. We haven't had a real Safemoon Sunday AMA in a little bit with John and Jack anyways. But yeah, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and you hit that alert icon so that way whenever I post the stream to go live for this, you're alerted and you can come join and we can all have a great time. Okay? Shout out to John for posting this as well on Twitter. Saying, he's tweeted out saying, looking forward to Safemoon Sunday again. Missed you all. COVID can try to slow us down, but it won't. This is part 1 of today's news. Part 2 coming at you shortly, which we just announced part 2. Where was it at? Right here. Okay. On to the next. Now, this is what's going on with the whole iOS thing. So we can see shout out to Safemoon, Sean for posting this. Safemoon devs being transparent. We can see the CEOs came out and said iOS is shortly after Android. App Store stuff just takes a lot more kung fu. Nothing really to do with the coding part, just the actual approval process. Okay, he also came out and says for you devs out there that have dealt with Apple, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so it's not the fact that they can't release the Apple iOS update alongside the Android. It just takes a lot longer to get Apple to approve the app for it to go live. I think it shouldn't be, but maybe, if I had to guess, maybe 1 week or a couple days behind or after the release of the Android Open Beta. But as more news comes out, I'll make sure I go over that with you guys as well. Okay, just a little more motivational stuff to get towards the end of this video, to end this video pretty much. We can see Mario Lullian on Twitter has tweeted out saying, patience is key. We are all still early. We can see this was tweeted by, it looks like on Wall Street Eagle, as well as the Safemoon Reddit too. Okay. Anyways, Safemoon is doing what Binance did after branching away from Ethereum. Yes, you read that right. Many may not know this truth on how Binance started. Binance Coin first ran on the Ethereum network before they branched out into their own blockchain. Okay? Safemoon is doing what Binance Coin did with the Ethereum blockchain, branching out into their own coin after Safemoon releases the blockchain. That's my take on it. If they do that, doing a complex safe ratio exchange from token to coin is doable. Imagine a day when Safemoon blockchain is up and running with all the wizard's magic completed, better improved, adaptable ecosystem. It would mean volume. Many will later suffer the pain of having sold early, while holders will be greatly rewarded for their patience and dedication. Why do you think Binance is having a hard time accepting Safemoon popularity and future dominance? Why they were so biased to Papa's bio for winning Global Influencer Award? Because we remind them of themselves. Only difference is Safemoon will do it better. There will come a day when we say, wow, 4 billion volume, that's low. Few will remember, few will understand this. Because you got to think about it. Back when Bitcoin was new, it made a lot of millionaires, a lot of millionaires, but a lot of people left because of the FUD that came out, because they didn't really know what they were holding. If you do your research, you don't have emotional attachments to your investments in this space, and you stay along for the ride, you will be rewarded. Keep that in mind. Patience is key here. Okay. To end this video, we're going to go ahead and look at the holders. We can see on BSC scan, we can see Safemoon has currently 2,474,592 addresses at the time of making this video. That's all I have for you guys this morning. I hope you all have an absolute blessed day. Feel free to go to Twitter and show me some love there as well. I am trying to get to 1,000 followers. That is like a huge milestone for me. And man, it is definitely a lot harder than I thought. Like, holy crap. We're slowly inching our way there, though. So all you got to do is go to Twitter, type in WCNLC, show me some love, hit that follow button. It's in the description as well. Also, if you like today's video, feel free to check out that thanks button. If you look down right below this video, you'll see the like, dislike, share, and you should see a thanks button. It's a new feature YouTube has rolled out for content creators to be able to be supported by the community if they like the video. Okay? Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment in the comment section below about what you thought about today's video. Anyways, this is Diamond Hands Dallas here at WCNLC. Y'all have a blessed evening, or blessed day.